Vile ulikuwa unajipaka basi asubuhi ukifika shule. Utachekelewa kama nini? Kwa kujitwa nasi jana na usiku.
Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. Sijui karibu na smile, but anyway, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, my name is Joan Kateu. I do videos about traveling and lifestyle. I know it's been a hot minute, guys, since you've seen me. I think it's almost a month. Yeah, a month. And I'm kind of ashamed to say that, but I don't have any reason to why I was not posting, but I'm back. Yes, I'm back, guys. I promise to be giving you content after content. So for those who are new, please subscribe and join the family. Yeah, so right now I'm going out to town and then I'll go home to visit my in-laws. Yeah, so come with me, guys, and I hope you get to enjoy the video. Bidhi leo kuna baridi. Yeah, naona vile nimedress.
Just find it and take it, don't let regret it. Make me your only one. You choose it, don't lose it, don't let confuse it.
So guys, I just got home. I'm from Wells Fargo to get my parcel. Nilikuwa na parcel hapo. I had mentioned in my previous video that nilikuwa nimeharibu my tripod. Yeah, so I just got another one from Jumia and I'm gonna unpack that with you guys so that you get to see what I got. So this is the tripod. Akia watu walifunga jameni. Oh my god. So there is the tripod. It's a tripod. Yeah. There are vile iko. I hope I don't disappoint kama ile nyingine, cause ile nyingine tu iliharibika all of a sudden. Okay, wow, it looks cute. Wow, this one seems kinda stable. Okay, how am I gonna do this with one? Seriously. So there is my tripod in a car, you know. Actually, I'm kinda loving it because as I've said, the other one ilikuwa so weak, yani hii na simu iko stable. Hebu niangalie simu nione vile iko. Okay, how are we gonna do this thing? Lakini you guys creating content is not a joke. Like wow, with it feels so stable, yani. And there we go. I got my tripod. I wish you guys could see, like, it's so stable, yani it feels so good. Wow, inakaa poa sana. It was on offer, guys. By the way, I got it from Jumia. It was 480 for the content creators who want to get a tripod. I can recommend you guys to get this. It's a selfie stick. Yeah, but you can use it as a tripod in a car. I got it from Jumia. I wish I don't know how to show you guys, but anyway, iko poa. I love it and it feels so strong compared to the other one. Yeah, so I love it. Hey, tuko wengi home, so ndo manake naongea hivi, but anyway guys, so right now I want to do a skincare on my mom-in-law. Yeah, I just want to pamper her. Yeah, so I'll like time lapse everything for you guys. I hope you get to enjoy because I don't want to make her uncomfortable by talking na nini, so nataka tu ni time lapse if I get to do that on her. So yeah, I hope you enjoy.
it. Only then you begun. Feel like, feel like, feel like that. Feel like, feel like, feel like that. Feel like that. Your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Your arms and stay with me, baby. Feel like that. Your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Your arms and stay with me, baby. Drawing aside, I can't wait to start. You should call the police. Now I even can breathe. You love me and hate me, true me and false me, make me your shining star. Giving, receiving, changing, believing, only then we could start. Feel like, feel like, feel like that. Feel like, feel like, feel like that. Feel like that. Your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Your arms and stay with me, baby. Feel like that. Your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Your arms and stay with
So
me,
it is a wrap for me.
baby.
Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one. And if you are new and you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe and join the family. Get me to 300 subscribers. Yeah. See you on the next one. Bye.